Alert! Alert! This is not a test. The US has reported some strange behavior from the whole west side of the country that apparently some figures with big faces and a blackish mouth have been seen running around the area. This is what some of them looks like. If you happen to see one of them, you have to follow these rules. Rule number 1. Get as fast as you can in your house and lock everything out, including family members or any pets, regardless of how small. Rule number 2.